Before we continue, let's introduce yourself first. And before we start, you can mix your presentation or your session with Indonesian if you prefer. Okay, continue.
My name is Farisi Hadi Abdullah and I am at the network engineer major. And I strongly focus on computer and system network configuration. And about my education, I am right now at Polytechnic IDN Bogor since 2024 until now. And about my professional journey, I have been learning CCNA, CCNP, and Microtik MTCNA and MTCRE. And my experience, I have visited the event like DevFest, event Google DevFest GDG Bogor, and I have been visit company at the Bogor, and that is Telkomsel. And my skill and MTCNA like connecting router to internet, NTP, software set, and MTCRA, and like OSPF or RIP, and CCNA, and I learn about switching and routing, and at the CCNA I learn about the deep about routing and switching. And my achievement is I have a certificate for ID networker like network fundamental certificate and project management certificate from Decoding, and uh, Cisco SD1 webinar certificate from ID networker. And my certificate is MTCNI certificate, MTCRA certificate, and I have been certificate at Cisco ITM certificate and SRWA certificate. And my question is, I have been create the book, and this is three book, CCNR module, BGP module, and right now is Superlab module. And that,
Okay, I think enough for your introduce yourself, and we continue to other session, which is our company would like to hire network engineer roles, and for this role, uh, maybe like uh, need several focusing, which are network, and then network network administration, and then network engineer. And for your perception, uh, how did you know about our company?
I know about the company. This is company is uh, very very good at the network, and I think I can, if I have this company, I can learn more, and I can uh, uh, membantu about handling about uh, maybe server or about network this company.
Okay, and then uh, you talk, you have been create several books, and which is
my super lab. This about the laboratory science.
Okay, you can describe how topology works.
Uh, I designed this to the wire computer. This can reach this server, and the wireless device cannot reach this internal server, but the uh, wireless and wire device can reach the internet or Google. And the main of this topology is the uh, the wire device can communicate one by one with email, internal email, and this is a server email.
Which routing do you use for your topology?
I use the AGRP routing. And
AIGRP
yes,
and
and I add the MD5 authentication.
okay. The important things for MD5, what the requirement? If you want to use authentication, what the requirement for the router? If in router one we use authentication MD5, apakah harus sama password di kedua router
Yes,
tersebut?
yes, uh, harus sama, and we add the router and the interface.
And what do you know about AIGRP? Could you describe to me?
AGRP is Cisco proprietary, and this is uh, the metric is key value, and the AGRP is combined uh, about the like PSF and RIP like distance what the command distance vector and uh,
Okay, continue, and then there is not right or not. If you uh, the internet, how can client connect to internet?
I use not here. I use routing nut here. The routing nut for translate the IP this IP private to this internet is IP public.
If we want to uh, deny VLAN 30 cannot access internet, which protocol that we use?
Access list. I will use access list at here.
Okay, how long you create topology superlab for 10 superlab? How long you create that book?
I create maybe 2 months.
Okay, 2 months, and then for the last question, if you are not accepted for our company or by our company, what will be your attitude and next step? What will you do if you are not accepted for our company?
I will I will looking for the company uh, that is can menerima saya, and because is my skill is enough for maybe is enough for this company, and I think the company can menerima saya, and can work at here.
Okay, I think enough for this conversation and this interview session, and I hope you feel better from other discussion, and you can close our session right now.
Maybe this for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi